This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting essentials out of the way. Clear pockets and remove pins so nothing distorts fabric. Lay the blazer face down on a flat surface and smooth with your hands to remove surface wrinkles. Fold each sleeve back gently along the natural shoulder, seam so they lie flat against the body. This helps maintain shape. Once done, align the collar and shoulder points so the jacket is symmetrical. This creates an even base for the packing sequence that follows. Next, form a protective core to preserve the blazer's structure. Roll a shirt or small packing cube into a firm cylinder and place it down the middle of the back. Fold one body panel over the roll, then the other so the fabric wraps around that core. This reduces shoulder collapse and keeps lapels flat. Tuck the sleeves over the folded body. Press gently to remove trapped air. Once done, you'll have a compact, structured bundle ready to fit into your suitcase without creasing. Slide the bundled blazer into the suitcase, ideally on top of other soft items or inside a garment folder so nothing crushes it. Make sure heavier items go below. Once done, insert tissue paper between folds or inside shoulders for extra protection and compress gently to maximize space. If a crease appears on arrival, hang the blazer in a steamy bathroom or use a handheld steamer for quick release. And if all else fails, lay it flat and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.